Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up iPhone XS in 2023. We are in end of July 2023. This is iPhone XS and I will show you step by step how to set it up. This is brand new iPhone XS which I purchased in this year in July 2023. iPhone XS. So first we switch on this iPhone, press and hold. Yeah, you see Apple logo. That's it. The phone is turning on. Alright, now we need to check the language. You need to choose your own language, country's language. So you are in United Kingdom. We choose English. Select your country or region, United Kingdom, and this is other countries. Scroll down. So we choose United Kingdom. Selecting setting language. So alright, quick start. Set up manually. Yeah. Okay, now we need to choose a Wi-Fi network. Now we chose the Wi-Fi network. As for password, we enter password as you can see here, and then join. Yeah, join. Joining. Joined. So you go to next step, next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Continue. Data and privacy, agree and continue. And then now you will set up Face ID. So about Face ID setup later in settings, but we just say continue and setting up Face ID. So how to set up your Face ID. Alright, so move your head slowly to complete the circle. First Face ID scan complete. You go to second. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. And then other. Show you that side. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Okay, now you need to choose a passcode. So I don't like the 6-digit passcode option. 4-digit numeric code. Yes. So now I will choose my password. Now we choose the password. Yeah, use it anyway. Okay, you need to confirm the password. Passcode accepted. Application and data. Okay, now here you got options. choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. Restore from iCloud backup or restore from Mac or PC. Transfer directly from iPhone. Move data from an Android phone, or don't transfer apps and data. So this is my new iPhone. I will say don't transfer apps and data. This is a new iPhone if it's your new iPhone. If it's you moving from Android phone, you just here and then transfer directly from iPhone. If you got another iPhone, transfer directly here. Restore from Mac or PC here, and then restore from iCloud backup here. If you have iCloud on other iPhone, you can choose the first one. So I'm choosing the last one, don't transfer apps and data. All right, now you need to enter your Apple ID. You need to have already Apple ID and passcode, and you can check my tutorial how to create an Apple ID. I will leave the description, the link. I will enter my Apple ID. Now I entered my Apple ID and password. So we go to next step after entering Apple ID and password. Then we go, you already set up a trusted phone number. A message with verification code has been sent to your number ending 33. Please enter the code to continue. So you need to verify it's you, is your Apple ID and passcode. You already given trusted number. They send you text message to enter the code. So we will check it. We enter in the code now, sent via text message. And now it's done. You need to accept terms and conditions of Apple. Agree after reading. Terms and conditions again. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Now keep your iPhone up to date. Get the latest features, security. You will receive notification here. Okay, location services. If you want disable or enable, I enable. Then do you want to use Apple Pay? Set up later, or you can continue. Set up later. iCloud keychain. Don't use iCloud keychain, or you can continue. Okay, Siri is up to you, but I will set it up later in settings. Okay, screen time, continue. Analytics, share with Apple or don't share, yeah. Analytics, don't share or share, it's up to you. True tone display, see without true tone display. iPhone automatically adapts to admit lighting condition to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display and brightness settings. See without the true tone display or continue. See without true tone display. Then continue. Okay, appearance, which one you want? Dark or light? I chose light. Is by default light. Also continue. Display zoom or standard. Welcome to iPhone. Now the iPhone is set up. Swipe up to get started. That's it. The iPhone is now ready to be used. FaceTime and iMessage. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye.